gas closing in fast. Get to the safe
Here,
zone.
there's a helicopter here.
Bro, there's 3 helis this yep, right here.
So ready, Garrett?
Marking Kilo.
Alright, I'm
Am I
gonna go
getting
for the
heli?
one by the police station.
I'm going inside the stadium.
I'm gonna go for hospital, bro. You guys good? Luck.
Every time we go for helicopters, it never ends well, bro.
Facts, bro.
Really doesn't. I don't think anybody's coming here.
I did
I'm
it.
not a cop too.
I did it.
Hostile dropping into the area.
Did we all cop a heli, bro? Now what?
Yeah, what do we do?
Yeah.
Helicopter wars.
Alright, now.
Helicopter war?
Oh, we
AJ,
have
get away
challenge
from
time,
me,
dude.
bro. AJ, get away from me, get away from me, go away.
What? I'm not even in here.
Yo,
No, you got a
Brian.
helicopter, I don't trust.
What's up,
Leave me
Brian?
alone.
Enemy
Oh, fuck!
What's up,
I pressed the wrong button!
Nah, AJ, go away, go on Ira, bro. Oh, God!
Hey, yeah, sounds like y'all are having a lot of fun without me over
Whoa,
here.
whoa, 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 whoa!
Dude, AJ, I saw that.
Hey, Miss Al, welcome.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Welcome to the cluster fuck.
that's not fair, cause... Ooh, 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 I got... Ooh!
I don't know what team is just looking at us.
Yo,
like, what
wait,
the
wait,
fuck
why
is
is Brian
going
over
on?
there, bro? Let's bully him. Let's bully him.
Brian's a pussy, that's why, let's go.
Bully
Oh,
him.
fuck you.
Brian.
Brian.
Oh, Brian.
Brian.
Don't run away from us, Jimmy.
Oh, I'm gonna cut him off. Watch the cut off right here.
Oh! Nice maneuver, dude.
Did you see that beautiful?
Yeah, right.
Bro, I thought we were going after Brian, dude. What the hell?
You rammed into me, that's your fault.
Bro, I was trying to go up, dude. Wow.
Take
You
this,
rammed into Brian, you're the only one left.
Alright, I'm gonna mark this one, bro. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna pick up the one at prison.
You're up next.
Nah, bro, I learned my lesson. We're not getting this.
Fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here.
Dude, Brian,
That's
you're pretty
bullshit.
fucking fast, dude.
I rammed into him and I'm the one that died. Didn't take a single bit of damage.
Brian, you fucked up. Oh! Damn it! Dude, that was perfect. Fuck that.
Get wrecked, bro. Bro, y'all just blew a 3 on me, dude.
Survive, they can redeploy.
I think when you hit someone in the heli, you go up.
No,
No.
I was on top of him and I blew up.
Gas is inbound.
Bro, I was bullying Brian and I didn't even take damage.
Nah, bro, AJ bullied you.
Nah, bro. AJ just came out of nowhere, man.
Teammate redeploying to the AR.
No, you
I
you
just
rammed
straight up
into the
rammed
back
it.
of my heli.
I straight up just ramped into AJ and I blew up. I'm like, fuck.
Bro, I didn't even expect
Teammate
to
redeploying. Stand
fucking blow up.
Die.
Shit.
No, there's not
There's
enough
another heli.
helis on the map, bro.
There's not one at port.
I'm on my way.
On a TV station?
I'm taking the one in prison. Brian, you're still in the air?
Yeah, never catch up though.
Or man.
Oh fuck, should I go for this one? Pop a thing.
For dog. I'm on my way to Boneyard. It's gonna take me years, bro, to get over there.
I'll fly.
Oh wait, there's still one here.
I see you, Brian. You're only 1,620 meters away from me, bro.
Dude, there's every heli spawned in this map.
1,500, Brian. Actually, you're moving towards me, dude.
Nah, bro, I'm pretty sure I'm not.
Well, maybe we're moving laterally, dude.
Ow.
Oh look, Brian's not that far from me.
1300, Brian.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
12.
Oh, whoa. Sick.
While we're at it, bro.
We're under 1,000 now, Brian. I'm getting close, dude. Ah, shit. You are moving too far. It's slowing down.
Oh, I'm getting beamed.
Where are you gonna go, Brian? Huh?
Never know, bro.
Shit, somebody just got revived. No.
You don't have a heli, AJ?
Nah, they blew mine up.
Hop in, bro.
Bro, if you can.
Oh, there's a heli here. It's rando.
Yo, there's a random heli. There's a heli.
Get him,
over there.
guys! Get him, guys!
Oh, he dropped it. They
Why did
dropped
they-
it. Oh no, they're still on it.
Oh, whoa. I can't. You're
Hold
just.
on. Come down here, come down here.
Providing cover. Their heli blew up.
Go.
Yo, AJ, behind AJ. There you go. All right. Now let's get the true villain, dude. 380, Brian.
RJ, is there anything on the map?
No helis on the map.
Bro, I wonder where the
I wouldn't go here.
where the loadout will spawn, dude. Considering we're so far apart.
I know
from
we're
each other.
all so spread out.
Brian.
Oh, Brian. Why are you going that way, Brian?
I think this is the longest Brian has ever like stayed alive.
I know, right?
Honestly, we should just go to the fucking bunker. And...
Probably already opened up.
Yeah, go over there.
Bro, I hate helicopters, dude. It keeps resetting my point of view, dude.
Oh,
Cut off Brian. It's gonna be perfect.
Brian.
Oh,
130
he's going the other way
meters.
from
dude.
the bitch.
Less than 100, Brian. Ooh, okay.
Oh,
okay.
Brian.
Okay. You going in and out? Alright.
Beavers.
Brian. Oh, don't get me.
Dude.
Oh, I'm gonna go for my loadout real quick.
Whoa, bro. I gotta know if you're turning, dude.
Alright, right shield.
Gas is inbound. Marking you safe zone.
Oh, I'm getting sniped. Right shield, right shield.
Oh, you got him?
No, Brian did that to himself, dude. Whoa.
Surviving earns redeployment.
Alright, we got
I
the
didn't
perfect place
I
to
didn't get
camp.
killed by you guys. So count. You see Andy Reid in his mask?
Yeah, I know, dude. What the?
Alright, Sergeant. Mark a drop point.
That's legit, though, dude. Not gonna lie.
Gas closing in fast.
Bro, it's so
Oh fuck! Shit.
Ira.
Hey, yo, can I borrow your helicopter, dude? Bro, there's so many people going for it, man. I don't know if you could get
I'll
it.
go for hospital then.
I don't know if
Oh,
you
there's
can
one
get
else.
it.
There's none at stadium, by the way.
Nah,
Did you
but
get
the
it?
one that next to the police
Alright,
station.
lads, let's get
Yeah.
going. Hostile guys.
Alright, extraction! Extraction!
This seat's mine.
Dude, I got a triple kill off that heavy, bro.
Get me out of here.
A triple kill off the heli, bro.
That's
I'm
nice
done.
though, dude. I saw that.
Oh.
I saw
Brian,
that.
did you DC?
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment.
I thought Brian, you were gonna go for the dam, Brian.
What?
I thought you were going for the one at the dam.
Nah, I went cheap station.
I'm gonna get this.
Too late, I'm already here.
Well, no, I was
Damn,
gonna
dude.
use it just in case we get the middle of the map or something.
Too bad.
Move to the next area and secure the perimeter.
I'll fly the bird.
points for the
That was
AR.
easy.
I'll ride along.
Arrow.
Oh, Brian.
There's still a.
Ooh, shit!
Ooh, kill him.
Bruh. That was.
Hey,
I almost
Wabby.
died.
Oh, I wonder if I can go under here.
I wonder if I could go in here, bro.
Dude, try to get under here.
Oh, I'm inside, dude.
Ira, dude, I can't stand it, bro. Can't wait until you crash.
Right, watch this.
Contract
Hey, look where I am.
secured.
Oh, I can't get out! I can't get out! I can't get out!
Bruh.
And I'm out, boys. Where the fuck?
Brian, you safe?
Yeah.
Hey, Ira, try this, dude.
Hold up, I need to save Brian, dude.
It's not coming.
Are you sure you're safe, Brian? You're losing a lot of health.
No, I refuse. That's a
I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm in the
100%
little
that's
park.
I'm not gonna
What's
make
happening?
it, Brian. I'm sorry.
Wait, how'd you die?
Okay, bro. You'll get a fresh heli over here.
Alright, bro. How'd you die, dude?
Got shot.
So why would I go to you if you got shot, bro?
From far away, though. Not like in my face.
You're not gonna make it.
Ooh, I literally just landed on Brian's. Oh my god,
Oh
bro.
my god.
What did you do?
Are you safe?
You ran into the dam?
No, bro, I jumped off the
He ran
heli,
into
but
the dam.
no, I jumped off the heli, but the heli rammed me.
No, it sounds like you ran into the dam, dude.
No, bro, the heli rammed me against the pipe.
Them a damn bro.
Dibba
Did you watch that, Brian?
Can't believe that just happened.
Did you watch that shit?
Bruh.
Wait, dude, I can't res you. It doesn't let you. Okay.
Oh, bruh. No way.
It didn't
Yo,
let
yo,
me
yo,
res you. I was
yo,
like,
yo, yo,
no.
there's a guy landing,
Oh, AJ, this is Sean all over again. This is Sean all over again.
Dude.
I am so good at that shit, dude. I'm too good at that shit.
Wait, where's he?
He's dead, bro.
He's down here. No, he's down here.
AJ, this was Sean all over again.
I'm getting his death reactions first.
What did he say, dude?
I gotta get it later. Hold on, I gotta fucking save it.
I'm on the stick.
Oh my god, I don't even care if I die at this point. Dude, this guy was so mad.
This man really think he could steal the heli from us, dude.
Bro, good call out
I
on
know,
that.
bro. He thought, bro. I shot him. I whacked him.
Bruh, I thought he was gonna get away and just sat on him, dude. He literally.
Bro, you weren't here. You weren't here for that game where me. Oh fuck.
We're bad people, bro. I swear.
Bro, they took off the fucking crates on the train, dude.
Hey, I remember, if you wouldn't believe it, this is actually the second time I've done that.
What the fuck?
What?
Oh my god.
The heli got me again!
What are you doing?
Wait, I don't understand how.
Oh wait, is there somebody there?
No, the heli
No.
got me again, dude!
Oh, I wonder if I'm gonna die if I do this too.
Bruh, the heli was moving. Oh my god, what? What?
Return to the front line.
Look at the heli. What is this game right now?